Hello guys and welcome back to Techie Screw channel. Today we are going to be learning how to fix Instagram tags and mention setting. First of all, open the Instagram app. After that, tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen and tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner of the screen. You can see here setting and privacy. Tap on it and scroll down. Tap on tags and mentions. Under tag and mentions, ensure that allow mentions from each set to everyone or the desired audience. After that, update Instagram app. For that, open the Google Play Store and search for Instagram. If any update option is available, tap on update option. Ensure that you have the latest version of the Instagram app installed on your phone. Developers regularly release updates to fix bugs and improve performance. After that, clear app cache. For that, open the phone setting. Scroll down, tap on apps. After that, tap on manage apps and search for Instagram. In app info of Instagram, you can see here storage, tap on it. In the bottom, you can see here clear data, tap on it. From pop-up, tap on clear cache. If the problem persists, you can report the issue to Instagram through it app. Go to Instagram app. After that, tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on three horizontal lines in the top right corner of the screen and tap on setting and privacy. Scroll down, tap on help. After that, tap on report a problem and you should briefly explain what happened or what's not working. Describe your issue. You can add photo or screenshot of the issue. After that, tap on send. That's it guys. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please like and subscribe the channel and also don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.